Hello, future millionaires. Today, we'll be doing a detailed DD on Palantir. Figure simple PLTR. What is Palantir? In simple terms, a company that saves other companies lots of money and makes them more efficient. Palantir basically has two sectors, Foundry and Gotham. Foundry enable organizations to transform their business by breaking out of inflexible software and disconnected functions. Gotham is the operating system for government decision making. By the way, they are believed to have assisted in bin Laden's capture. Palantir Apollo software powers these two softwares by delivering continuous automated updates without disrupting operations. So, what's their goal? The goal is to become default software platform across every imaginable industry, which aligns with what the co-founder and chairman Peter Thiel believes in. He believes that competition is for losers. The CEO Alex Karp said that, but the longer it takes customers to build their own solutions, the more smart Palantir's AI becomes. The delta between savings from Palantir and savings from developing in-house solutions grow wider and wider, keeping the customer in Palantir ecosystem. Plus, there is a law that US government must first use third-party solutions, and only if they don't work, only then they can spend money and time on in-house solution development. To those of you who are unaware, Palantir sued the US military to high heaven and won twice, again when military appealed. They have monopolized there and got CIA, FBI, Air Force, Marines, and many more departments. Now coming to the finances. This is their 2020 fourth quarter report. What do they have to say? In 2020, we generated 107% revenue growth from our US commercial customers. In Q4 2020, we signed several large deals across automotive, energy, healthcare, insurance, mining, shipping, and more. So this is their revenue, 482 million revenue from commercial customers in 2020, which makes 44% of total revenue. And the remaining 56% of the total revenue, which is 610 million generated in 2020, comes from the government customers. In 2020, we generated 77% revenue growth from our government customers. In Q4 2020, we signed several large deals that underscore our vision to provide the central operating platform for government and our focus on the near peer fight in defense. So let's see how many deals they have signed. In Q4 2020, we closed a number of large deals across our commercial and government segments, 21 deals in Q4 alone, and 12 of which were each worth 10 million or more. This is only the beginning. Our customers include 8 of the Fortune 100, 12 of the Global 100, and 24 of the Global 300. Their customers are giants, but they didn't stop there. Now, they are targeting small to medium-sized businesses with Amazon AWS partnership. Now, what is AWS? Amazon is famous worldwide as retail e-commerce giant, but AWS is their another section, which is popular in software and development field. Consider a small startup who don't have enough funds, or they are unsure if their company would flourish. So before they invest in it headstrong and buy expensive servers and cloud network, they try to test their product and idea using services like AWS to deploy their platform and see how the market reacts to their product or idea. And only when they are confident and comfortable with their idea, they develop their own software. Until then, they use AWS software on a rental basis to run their software business. Imagine sectors like sales, accounting, project management, development, testing, so on and so forth. All these different applications are run by different softwares within AWS. But these softwares don't communicate with each other. This is where Palantir comes in, and it makes decision making easier by helping all these businesses run multiple applications and have a seamless communication between them. Now, let's look at their long-term goal. Their long-term orientation, 5-year outlook, revenue of 4 billion or more in 2025. Plus, Palantir offered huge stock-based compensation to their staff, and this is possibly a sign of conviction that Palantir is going to grow in the future. And if you want to know more about them, they have this DoubleClick demo event on April 14, 2021. DoubleClick is Palantir's series of software demo events that showcases how the company's platforms are used across the industries and customers. So this is my DD on Palantir.